Hi guys! Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how to install the VS Code Pets extension in Visual Studio Code step by step. This extension lets you add a virtual pet to your coding workplace, making your programming experience more fun and interactive. Whether you're a beginner, an incoming first-year IT, or computer science student, or simply want to personalize Visual Studio Code, this tutorial will guide you through the installation process. Let's get started. Whoa, look at this. This setup is so clean and cute. If you want the same setup, I'll show you exactly how to get it. First of all, open VS Code. Then click on the extension tab. Search for VS Code Pets. And install it. Once it's installed, go ahead and install this extension as well if you want even cuter icons. Awesome! We now have VS Code Pets. Let's customize it even more. If you want to add pets, click the plus icon, then choose any pet you like. I hope you learned something from my videos and from the other tutorials I'll be sharing with you based on my everything I have learned.